Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flat Media channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a smoke text effect in Filmora 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn how to do this the right way. Before we start the video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like and subscribe buttons, as well go in the comments section and start typing, whatever you like, just comment something. Okay, now go in the description and get your Elements Envato subscription, and download Filmora 11 from my link down there in the description. Let's now start. Firstly, you need to download these letters from Elements Envato, link for that will be in description down below. In this part of the video I'm creating the word flat, with letters and exporting it. Now I'm creating the word media and exporting it as well. In this part of the video I'm changing the blending modes to the exported words to screen. In this part of the video we're going to animate the exported words. And voila, there you go, that's that for this tutorial. Bye.